Hello everyone, so today I am presenting my teaching portfolio. I actually made this within my blog post on WordPress, but as we go, here we can begin. So here's my teaching portfolio as an elementary education major. And then I have a quote here that says, "A good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love of learning," by Brad Henry. Scroll down, and here is my home page. We could click. Okay. And it just says homepage, welcome to my ePortfolio. As you go further into my ePortfolio, here are some things you may come across. An About Me page where you could learn a little bit more about me beyond my future teaching aspirations. My resume, which includes my schooling, job history, and volunteer work, as well as some sample lesson plans. Okay, then we just head on back. And here it says, here's my About Me page. It says, "About me, my name is Melissa Dooley. I'm currently a sophomore at University of South Florida, majoring in elementary education, hoping to teach in grades K through 3 in the near future. I work right across from the street from USF and have a YouTube channel with my boyfriend, whom I also own 2 hamsters with. I enjoy going to the beach, hiking, playing Sudoku, and motivating those around me." As I scroll down, here's a picture of me in front of a USF sign, "Go Bulls." Here's one of my hamsters. This is Misty, just eating her scrambled eggs in the morning. And then scroll down, here's a picture of me and my boyfriend hiking in Georgia, and a picture of my family. Alrighty. And then scroll down to my resume. And here, I can't fit all in one screen at one time, but here it says my resume. Melissa Dooley has my email, my phone number, my LinkedIn link. And then on the sidebar has all my education, University of South Florida, Hillsborough Community College, and my high school, and some activities I was involved in each school, as well as my skills, such as public speaking, easily adaptable, personable, social media, time management, customer service, and patience. And then here's my work experience at Hooters, Fresco Pizza, PDQ Restaurant, and then my volunteer experience at Out of Zion and USF Bull Hall. And then my lesson portfolio, where I have 2 lesson plans and a sample classroom layout. Let's take a look at my first sample lesson plan. And this is on how to estimate for the 2nd grade in mathematics. And this is a lesson plan I created myself for one of my classes that I had to do. I'm just going to briefly scroll through it so you can see different things that I used to go ahead and talk about in my lesson plan really quick. And then attached was a room design right here. Alrighty. And then a sample classroom layout. This is actually a different one than what I had posted for that classroom assignment. That's just a sample. Obviously, it could change depending on the classroom space, how many desks they give us, how many different types of things they give us. But this is just a sample of what one can look like that I created. Also, another lesson plan for a different class. That's why it's a little bit of a different formatting. But this is for compare and contrast. So here has some vocabulary words, introduction, the standard that I was trying to meet, a step-by-step lesson plan for each thing, a lesson summary, a summary of what happened in the lesson, as well as a reflection of what happened when I tried to do it over a Zoom call with some girls I babysat with. And that is it for my teaching portfolio. Thank you so much for watching.